Happy New Year, guys. I wish you all the best this year. May the blessing of the Lord follow you and may you be celebrated. May you celebrate yourself and your family in the name of Jesus. I'm here with an amazing lazy flapjack recipe. Guys, I'm going the easy route. I'm not making the whole thing myself. This is store bought. Let's go. Like I was saying, guys, this is an easy mix. It's already ready made, done. It's not what you need to prepare yourself. So what you need is I'm gonna use 15 mils of oil. I'm gonna use 1 egg and 250 mils of milk. The reason for that is I'm not gonna do the whole thing. This makes about 32 flapjacks, which it's just the three of us, so I'm only gonna do half of this, and then we're gonna do the half whenever. So if you are a big family, you then follow the instruction: 2 eggs and 30 mils of oil and 500 mils of milk. So let's go, guys. So it's gonna be egg, oil, and a herb, and this is gonna herb. I'm gonna go right with it. See what happens. Here we go. This is so easy, guys. You can mash banana and egg into this. You can add anything that you actually like. Cinnamon. You can also add your essence. Just play around with the mixture. And voila, you have a nice like that. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I've mixed my dough. As you can see, it's not too watery. It's nice consistency. So we're gonna go right into making the flapjacks. Yep. So all you need is a pan and oil, and that's it. Here's my little bit of oil. I'm putting in some dough. Just slowly with my dough. Once the bigger size, you can cook for bigger spoon. I just like cook for a few minutes, or fry a few minutes. As you see, the on top, then you can finish. So guys, you must always wait for the bubbles, and then when it bubbles like this, it's ready to be tamed. This is where we are. Yep, let's go. Perfect. Nice and golden. Guys, this is it. I'm done. Now we're going to munch in. My tower is falling, guys. I just have to hold it. I guess it's calling for us to eat. I'm gonna start munching. Ooh. This is so nice.
It's not how you munch pancakes, mama. Use a fucking knife, eh?
I'm African, sorry.
African by yourself.
When they do mukbang, do they use they talk too much.
They don't do mukbang. Even if they do mukbang or pancake, they use fucking knife because that's how you eat pancake. I'm not lying.
Okay, I'm eating my pancakes with my hands. Are you happy?
No.
It's your problem.
It's both of our problem.
So that's strong.
I'm very strong.
But guys, I need just more syrup, like more sugar rush.